In this video, I will show you how to open a community chest on Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on Monopoly Go. So as you can see, I've opened up the Monopoly Go app and I'm currently logged into my account. Now you can see I'm actually able to open it. Now the community chest is actually available to open every 24 hours. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and open up the chest, and basically what's going to happen when you open up the chest, it's going to take you to a screen like this. And what you can do is just start playing this mini game, and what it's going to do is basically give you different gifts from your friends, like stickers, as well as dice rolls and other rewards. So what you want to do is just keep doing this until you land on a key. Now once you land on a key, what's going to happen is going to go ahead and open up the chest. So you just want to keep spinning this. It's completely random and eventually it's going to land on a key. So here we are, I've got the key. It's just going to open it now, and you'll see when the community chest opens, you actually receive a cash reward. So in this case it was 873,000. And once you've collected this, that's going to be added to your rewards. Now, this is, as I mentioned, available every sort of 20 hours. You can see the countdown if you press onto the community chest at the top. So in this example, we've just opened it and it's next going to be available in 18 hours and 38 minutes. So what you can do, you can invite friends as well to basically obtain bigger rewards. And, you just want to press the invite button, go ahead and invite friends. And every sort of day, you can click onto this to open it and obtain rewards. So that's how to go ahead and open a community chest on Monopoly Go. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.